Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a tutorial on how to how to create the neon glow effect for text on GIMP. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, so for me, what I like to do is I like to take my words and then I'll right click on them, or not right click on them. I'll press on them in my layer menu, right click on it there, press duplicate layer. Now that I have two layers, I will press edit with my A, or I'll press text edit or text tool, press edit from there. And then I will say something like, let me change this to yellow so we can do like kind of like a glowing thing, because like yellow glows, you know. And since this one's on the top, I'll move it down. Maybe I'll scale it first. It's probably proper to scale. Okay, that. All right. So now you see that the yellow line is perfectly behind the other one. I didn't even mean to do that, actually. I was supposed to show you guys how to line it up. So I like to leave a little bit of room to leave like a little bit of a 3D effect, as you see right there. And then now when you're on this, you want to go to filters and then blur and then turn on Gaussian blur and then press OK. And I mean, you can like kind of change it around to however you want. And this just essentially just blurs the whole thing, and it will add a glowing effect to your text, though. Something kind of cool that they have. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.